Hey there, my hack for the hackathon is a voice controlled version of the arcade retro game called Pac-Man for persons with disabilities so that they too can enjoy their childhood blockbuster. My main motivation to do this project is that persons with disabilities cannot experience the thrill and excitement of playing Pac-Man unless they use a controller which is like comfortable for them, and voice-based controller tries to bring in that comfortness. This comfortness implies that they would have a seamless experience with the controls of Pokemon through their voice. Similarly, the controls are provided through the keyboard too if you are a keyboard-based user. In that case, it would be the WASD movement for keyboard users. But if you are going for the voice-based controller, then the mappings would be like this. Up command spoken would correspond to north movement. Bottom command spoken would correspond to the southwards movement. Left command spoken corresponds to the west movement, and similarly the right command corresponds to the east movement. The whole game engine is coded in vanilla JavaScript without any external frameworks or libraries for the game engine. The visuals using CSS and pixel art, and finally the speech recognition engine uses the web speech API built within browsers, which under the hood invokes the speech recognition APIs from the OS, operating system. We start playing the game by saying either play command or we press the P button on the keyboard. Let me show you that. Play. As you can see, this is the home screen of the game. This is where the game starts. First, I'll show you the keyboard and mouse demo. As you can see, I ate an orb and I killed the monster too. These orbs, the shiny things, provide ability to kill the monsters. You can see when I eat those orbs, the monsters get scared and turn into blue, and the colors starts fluctuating, and I can eat them only when the colors are different, like when they're scared. I get points for collecting orbs and normal edible items, and for killing those monsters. Now, if I don't eat an orb and try to eat them, they kill me. So I need to dodge and try to eat as many as orbs as I can, score more points, and kill all the enemies. I can see the health decreases when I eat them without like eating the shiny orbs, like when they're in the normal state and not scared state. And I collected it twice, so the game ended. This is the I lost the game, so this is the keyboard mouse version. Now I'll show you the keyboard based control. As you can see, if I eat a power dot, the shiny things are called power dot, the glowing ones. And then if I can only eat if I have eaten a power dot. If I suppose I have not eaten a power dot, then I try to eat an enemy, I lose a life. And as you can see, when I eat a power dot, its state changes to scared state, its color changes to blue. And when it's not so scared, it changes into red and blue, it fluctuates with that. When it's normal, it's in white color. So the objective of the game is to clear all these enemies by smartly eating those power dots, and you get additional points for eating the power dots, killing the enemy, and eating those pink color orbs. So you will lose a life if you try to eat the enemy without eating a power dot. But if you eat a power dot, you can kill it. Yeah. I'll show you the voice-based version now. Bottom, left, right, 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 right. As you can see, I got a point now. Bottom, right, right, up. See, I got another point. Left, 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 bottom, 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 bottom. I got another point. Left, left. As you can see, when it's ready to take an input, it flashes pink color, and when it's not, it's transparent color. Bottom, bottom, right, right. I lost a life. I lost a life, and that's it. So as you could see, the voice-based control was on par with the keyboard and mouse version 2. So this is how I aim on bringing fresh experience for non-keyboard and mouse users through voice-based controller. I plan on adding more games in the future and improve the maze generation algorithm by tweaking it, making it more intelligent. Thank you. Hope you like the